You're welcome to another BYBT strategy trading video. We are trading live in the New York session, and we are using our BYBT strategy, which is made up of structure, support and resistance, areas of confluence, and pullbacks. So right now we are in for some buys on gold, and the cause of this buy, if you've been following us on this channel, you would already be seeing it. So here we had our first trend to the upside, okay, and the market is creating a higher high. We got a pullback here, creating a higher low. Then we got another move to the upside, creating another higher high. Then the market pulled back into this zone here. We are having this zone of support here, and we are getting this retest here and here. So this zone here is giving us our area of confluence. Okay, so buyers are setting off from this zone here. So we're taking our buy around this zone here. Then our take profit is gonna be, we're going to hold this trade up to this level of resistance here. That would be our take profit. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, and don't forget to like. We are always trading like this with using this one trading strategy. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Let us see how this trade turns out.